Alright, some of you guys might not know, but Juno's favorite toy is actually a ball. Watch this. Watch this, my friends. She will go and follow anywhere for a ball. See it? So watch this, guys. Look at this. Where'd the ball go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Yes! Yes! We're so excited to play! Yes! Is this your ball? Is this your ball? Juno goes bonkers for her ball. Is this your ball? Is this your ball? What happens if I bounce it? What happens if I bounce it? And then this is my favorite part. She's wondering where her ball went. She's wondering where her ball went. Get back over here. It's right here. It's right here. I just fooled her again. I fooled her again. I don't know if you can get, if you're seeing this all on video, but now I'm going to finally throw it to her. Are you ready? Now she's going to be gone chasing her ball. You just wait. In a couple minutes, maybe less than a couple minutes, she's going to be back, but she's going to go chew on that ball for a little bit. She says, my favorite thing in the whole wide world is when my mama throws my ball for me. She goes and plays ball with herself. But as much as we want to do that, we got to get back into our school. We got to get into school. You know, maybe after this I'll go throw the ball with Juno for a little bit. I know. She's like, please throw the ball again. At home, she brings me a toy to throw her over and over and over again. And finally, I'm just like, no. Not going to throw it anymore. But that's Juno. That's Juno. But all right, don't forget, December 16th, 6 to 8. You should go to the light show. It's going to be great. All right, now we're looking right on over here. We have, this time I changed up, and we're not going to count by tens, we're going to count by hundreds, because we got to see the pattern here. Okay, let's look. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. What comes next? A lot of you want to say 1,000, but think about it. We have our ones place, tens place, hundreds place. What is this place? It's our thousands place. Now let me show you this pattern. Now we get to 900, 1,000, then it's 1,000, 100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, and then I would change this to 2,000. Do you see that? So make sure as you're working on this that you are looking at the pattern, because we're going to start getting too many hundreds. You got to change them to 1,000. It's not going to happen for a little bit, but want to make sure that we can add. See if you can add all, if you can count by 100 all the way to 10,000. That'd be a pretty cool thing if you could. If you could. You don't have to. But let's come on over here now. Today I said was going to be the harder day. This still is not very hard. When you guys add and subtract with tens and ones. This one with our base 10 pieces is always my easiest. This is the one kids get it's super simple. But let's draw it. So I'm looking at 47. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I'm going to put my ones actually down below today, because they might have to do some work. So I got my 7. Then I got 20. And then I'm going to put my ones down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me look at my tens. Okay, I got 40 and I got 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I don't have enough tens. So I got to go look. I don't have enough tens to need to do anything, but I think I have a problem with my ones, okay? Now I'm going to start with 8, because 8's the bigger number. So 8, 9, 10. Got to that 10. What happens when you have 10 ones? What does it turn into? It turns into a 10. So I need to go and grab 8. And I need to open this a little bit, and I need to come over here, and I need to grab 2 more. And like we always know, we're going to cross these out. Goodbye. And I'm going to instead turn this into, I like that arrow, you don't have to. I like to turn it into this. Did I tell you that Juno likes her ball being thrown? You guys ready? Here she goes again. There she goes. Going after her ball. Oh. You guys can tell she's going to bring it up to me probably every couple minutes. You just wait. Juno's going to be back by again. No, not gonna happen though. That's my only ball throw. See, now she's got the ball coming back over here again. You guys see that? No. Alright, so now I need to see what I have. So I have my 4 tens, and I got my 2. Now sometimes my friends like to forget about this guy. They like to forget about him, but you have to include this 10. This 10 didn't come from anywhere. It came because you had too many ones. You had to turn it into a 10. And then let's see how many ones I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I got 7 in the tens place and 5 in my ones place. So I got the answer of 75. All right, now this next one I'm going to let you know ahead of time is trickier. It is trickier now because we got a problem. We got a problem with both our 10s and our 1s. I'll just give you that idea. 59 plus 65. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw my 10s. I'm going to draw my 1s underneath because it makes it easier because we're going to have a problem with it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we got a problem. Now, I know last time I had us look at our 10s first. I really shouldn't have done that. I should have instead had us look at our 1s first. Because 1s turn into 10s. 10s turn into hundreds. Hundreds turn into thousands. So you want to make sure that you are grabbing them now because I could end up with too many 1s and it might do something to my 10s. So I want to always wait on that. So I know I have 9 1s because they're right there. So 9, how many more do I need in order to have that 10? 9, 1 more is 10. So now I'm going to cross these guys out. And I'm going to go and add a 10 up by my 10. You see that? Now I got to look at my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I have 100. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to go and take these guys. Did I tell you? We're going to have to do a lot of crossing out on these ones. Cross that out. Now I'm going to I like my arrow. This arrow is going to come over here and it's going to point and it's going to say, wow, I got 100 over there. So now I'm going to come and I'm going to draw this over here. I just learned how many colors I got up here. So I'm going to start with my 100 because I have 100. Now, how many 10s do I have? Don't forget, I got this guy over here too. That's why you got to put him near your 10s because sometimes if we put him way over here, we forget about him. And then let's look how many 1s I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 124. So right over there is all of our work. Now, if you guys noticed, did I tell you? I got a dog that loves her ball. Look how excited she gets. Is this your favorite thing in the whole wide world? She says, yes, Mama, it is. Oh, she's off finding her next ball. And now we're going to come on over here. Now we're doing the last 2 pages. Now this back page is the one you're going to be taking a picture of. But we have 2 pages. And it seems like it's not very much work, but it is actually, because we got a lot to do. So I'm looking at 28 plus 36. So I'm going to draw my 10s. And remember, let's draw our 1s underneath so it's easier for us to deal with our 10s and our 1s. So then I'm going to draw my 30. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw 6 more. Okay, so now I got to check. Got to check with my 1s first. I know I made that mistake and did our 10s, but we always start with 1s first. So I know I got 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got way too many. So I need to grab 8 because 8 is more than 6. So let me start with my bigger. So 8, and then I just need to go with 2 more because 8, 9, 10. I need to cross these guys out, and I need to turn them into a 10. Now, did you notice how I put them up with my 10 so I didn't forget about it? Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw this. So now I'm going to have, 3 10s and 3 more 10s. And then I have 4 1s left over. Did you notice that over here? So then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I have 64. Now this one was easy because I just had to mess with my 1s. Are you guys ready for one where I got to mess with both? Let's do this. 87 plus 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I drew 87 and 48. Now I'm going to switch up my pens. Now what do I start with? I always start with my ones, because ones are small and they can change they can change my 10, so I always start with them. Now I know 48 is smaller than 87, but 8 in my ones is larger than 7, so I'm going to start with my 8 ones, and I'm going to grab them, and I just know I need my 2 more because I've been dealing with 8 a lot. 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to cross these out, and I'm going to put my 1 right over there because I know I won't forget him. If you want to kind of work with 2 color pens to make this simpler, you can definitely do that. Now over here I have 8, 80. Now I already know 8. I just need to grab 2 more. So let me go and grab these guys and 2 more. Make sure you're doing this neat, because if you do this really messy, you won't end up with the right answer because it won't make sense. So now I need to cross this out, and I need to turn these guys into our 100. So now let's draw this over here. I have 100, I have 3 10s, and I have 5 1s. And I have 5 1s left over. So now I have 135 like that. All right, I'm going to do 1 more because this is a little trickier. So let me draw this 47 plus 97, and 43 plus 97. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 8, 9. Oh, I kind of had to go over the line there. And then let me go with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do I have to look at first? I have to look at my 1s. So I have 7, 8, 9, 10. This is cool. I haven't done this so far today. I'm going to grab all of them and I'm going to cross them out, and I'm going to turn them into a what? A 10. How many 1s do I have left over? 0. 0. It's craziness. Then, ooh, I know I have 9 10s, so I'm going to grab this extra guy I created. And I'm going to cross him out, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to add my 100, because I now have 100. So now I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to have 100. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I don't have any 1s. So I have 140. Is that how I write that, 140? What am I forgetting about? I have my 100s. I have my 10s. And if I don't put something in the 1s place, it's 14. And I'm pretty sure this is not 14. So I need to add the 0. And then I get to 140. Now, you guys have this and this to do. You might not have noticed, but you might have heard a little bit of dropping like this in our video. The whole entire time, Juno is right next to me waiting for me to give her her ball. Do you guys see this commitment to a ball? This commitment. Do you care about your toys so much? As much as Juno? All right, there we go. Go and roll it away. She got it. She's going to bring it back. She might go chew on it a little bit. But you guys enjoy. It's been great working on it. We are finished with our base 10 blocks. We are next going to be moving into expanded form. So be ready for us to be writing in expanded form. All right, you guys have fun. See you later. I'm going to throw some ball with Juno.